Hi everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to effortlessly customize your Vivaldi browsing experience by changing themes. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern light theme or a cozy and warm dark theme, Vivaldi offers a variety of options to suit your preferences. We'll walk you through the simple steps of selecting and applying themes, demonstrating how to make your browser truly your own. Click on Settings. Click on Theme. In the Themes section, you can choose from a variety of pre-installed themes. To apply a theme, simply click on it. If you want to further customize the appearance of your browser, you can click on the Editor tab. This will allow you to change the colors, fonts, and other aspects of the theme. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below.